And we were talking about what we've known in the literature about higher ventilation rates to dilute contaminants in the indoor air, including airborne viral particles. When we saw this really pick up in late January, I wrote my first piece after that, targeted towards this novel coronavirus that published in Financial Times when this outbreak was largely confined to Asia, knowing it was going to come to the rest of the world, saying that healthy buildings should be the first line of defense against this novel coronavirus. That was early February. And then, of course, as it hit the US shores in early March, I wrote for the New York Times a more US focused, similar content. Here's what we know in the science. Here's how we can leverage buildings to protect us. So we've really known about these strategies for a long time, and it's the basics. It's really getting back to the basics again: better ventilation, higher efficiency filtration.